Hey guys, Tucker here from Fourth Meal Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the Blue Snowball microphone. So as you may or may not know, the Blue Snowball microphone is used by many YouTubers in the YouTube community. It's a great, cheap, not too expensive microphone, good for the price, and I actually got this on Black Friday for like $35, so pretty cheap. Great deal. I thought it'd be worth it to get some better audio quality. So inside the box we have the quick start guide, Blue Snowball, setup, instructions, blah blah blah. Nobody cares about that anyway. Inside the box, see if we can pull this out here, we have some cords, cables. We have a USB cable, it looks like. See if we can show you that there. USB to audio XLR, I think it is, and a tripod stand. This stand is actually really nice. It's made of metal. It feels good quality and is adjustable. And inside the box we have the microphone itself. So there is the Blue Snowball. See if we can take off the plastic. And there it is, the Blue Snowball. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this unboxing of the Blue Snowball microphone. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up.